laugh at my jokes, treat me like one of the bros. Think I'm cool, but they would never date me. 'Cause girls my age have tiny waists, skin tight denim, baby faces, dance at the bar like no one's watching. And I'm just a flower on the wall, not someone you'd ever fall for. But in a couple weeks, you look at me. When I get pretty, then you'll want me. I'll be picture perfect to make you happy. I'll be.
Welcome. Oh, ba't may speaker dito? Ay, pabango nyo. Ay. Sweet bee ang unit. Isang reason kaya may dala akong timba, yung ganyan. I-test drain na natin kung barado ba yung drainage. So, hi everyone! Andito ko ngayon sa 16th floor ng Shore 3 Residences for turnover. So, ang laking in-improve ng turnover department. Meron na silang electric fan, meron na rin silang parang diffuser, and then may welcome kit na rin sila. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. Pag nag-turnover sila, ayan, may pa-electric fan. So, para mabango. Katatapos lang ng sa balcony, so ano siya, barado. So ang gagawin is tatawagin yung sa turnover kung kaya. So itong sa may bathroom, okay naman siya, hindi siya barado. Ito kinonsern ko na palitan nila yung intercom kasi madumi dilaw mo. Yung gym. Okay lang. Ito yung admin before, nilipat na sa Tower 3. Ito yung lounge. May pa-set up sila dito.
Dancing, center of attention, vision of the woman that you wanted me to be when I get pretty.
Sige. Isang coffee.
Maybe
Ikaw gagawa? Sige na, ikaw na. So, pag nag-survey, may notebook. Okay, sige.
once I'm beautiful, I feel like I'm good enough. My insecurities wouldn't get the best of me.
Nandito ako sa lounge ng turnover department. So, ang ganda lang ngayon kasi may mga bago silang ginawa and then bago na yung strategy nila. So, pwede kayong mag-coffee. Yan, sige. Yan.
Baby, I'm out of this world.